Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a campaign here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, make sure to log in with the correct account where you wanted to delete an email or a campaign. All right, now once done, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Marketing Channels. All right, from here, you can go ahead and click on All Campaigns. If you just want to delete an email, click on Email, Social Post, and Surveys. Okay, I'm just going to click on All Campaign. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, here you have all of your campaigns, including draft and published campaigns. All right. Now, if you just want to delete one, you can go ahead and click on the three dots besides it. All right. For example, this one or this HTML one. I'm going to click on the three dots, hit on delete, wait for it, and it says here successfully deleted your custom code email. Now, if you want to delete multiple, you can just go ahead and easily click on the tick box right here besides the campaigns that you wanted to delete. All right. For example, this one as well, this one, this, like so. All right. Now, once done checking all of the campaigns right here that I wanted to delete, I'm going to go ahead over to the top. And here we have actions. It says here 6 selected actions. Click on it, hit on delete. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, it's all gone. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.